Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind.
But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow. All the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo. Smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. The joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that.
This combo right here, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Ari. I know I'm looking crazy, right? But it's my day off, okay? Don't judge me. It's my day off. The house looks a mess, you guys. I just wanted to show you a little bit of how I start to clean. I'm not halfway finished cleaning that bedroom. I got to go back in there and vacuum. I got to wipe down some more. I got a dresser. I got another TV stand. I just don't want to show y'all that. We only show y'all what we want you to see. If you saw the whole picture, you might judge us. Y'all, if you could see my house right now, oh my goodness, it is crazy. It don't make no sense. When I tell you it don't make no sense, it don't make no sense what's going on up in here. But anyway, it's my day off. I usually don't want to do anything. I usually just try to sit back, relax. If I want to lay in the bed all day and watch TV, I feel like I deserve that. But at this point in time, I don't have that option. So yeah, I'm up cleaning. I got to get it together, y'all. We're trying to do some organization around here. So at that point, everything is tore up. You know how you tear everything up so you can fix it? That's what we at. I would show you, but I'm embarrassed. I'm a little bit embarrassed. But y'all, when I was doing over my filming room, I mentioned that my husband was going to move his closet. One of his closets was back in that filming room, and he was going to take some of those things out and transfer my closet, which is in our bedroom, back to my filming room so I can have the whole room to myself. He won't have to interrupt me when I'm trying to film. I won't be in his way when he's trying to get into the room to get what he needs. So I was like, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. So the closet back here is way smaller, but he came in there and did his thing. I'm not gonna lie. He know how to pack a room. He know how to pack a trunk. He know how to pack some stuff, right? So I was like, just do your thing. And he went back there and he hooked it up for me. I'm not going to show you now because we're eventually going to add on a big walk-in closet. with the shelves and everything for both of us to have one big closet. So that's the plan. So when I do that, I'll show you what we're trying to work with. But at the moment, I have this small closet. It's functional for me. The way he's done it, he's got my purses hanging up and all my shoes are in shelves and boxes and everything. So that's working out well. But at the moment, his shoes, okay, so he ordered those clear boxes. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna just show y'all some boxes. Okay, hold on. Baby, do you see all of these boxes? All of these boxes, and I promise you, he has definitely got the shoes to fill them all up. He's definitely. So, yes, this is what we're working with, trying to get these boxes all installed so he could put his shoes in there and see the shoe. So sometimes to get organized, you got to be disorganized. And that's where we at right now. And I don't like it. I don't like it. But we trying to get it together. So, yeah, I'm doing a little cleaning today on my day off. And I'm like, why not film it? I can't film everything because I'm not going to get done with everything. Y'all saw what I got going on. And if you see my film room, it's not much better. It's not much better. So I got a lot I've got to do today. I got a lot on my plate. So yeah, I'm off, but I'm not. Y'all know how that is. So yeah, leave me some comments down below, you guys. Let me know. How have you been organizing your closets, your spaces, your shoes, your products? I did just do a video on how I was organizing my perfume. I've got to organize my lotions. I've got to organize my body sprays or body mist. I've got to organize my body washes. You guys, when I tell you it's getting out of control, your girl gonna have to stop. But I see so much that I want to try, but I got to do some using up first. I got to do some using up. I got to do a whole bag until I can get rid of this stuff, because I don't buy stuff just to be telling you guys about it. I buy it because I love it and I want to try it. So I have to keep myself in line too. So yeah, I'm going to have to use some stuff up before I really go purchasing more other than perfumes, because I still have some room for perfumes. But as far as my body washes and stuff, I got to use some of that stuff up. I've even given a lot of it away because I'm like, if I don't really use it, I gravitate to it, I give it away, you guys. I'm a type person, I want a functional wearable. I want everything that I have to be something I love. So I don't really do blind buys too much. I only really purchase what I know that I like, I can sniff for myself and know that that's going to be a win for me. So yeah, that's what I usually do. But I'm going to be using some stuff up before I buy too many more products and stuff, because I have a lot. And I'm going to be doing some organization on that. I got to keep everything I got organized, or we're going to be just outgrowing our house. You know what I'm saying? We're just going to be outgrowing it and needing something bigger, which we are at that point already. But we don't want to spend the money. We cheap over here. We cheap. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Times is getting crazy. So you don't want to just be living out of your means. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we got a lot to think about. We got a lot of stuff going on. I hope you guys are not like us, man. I tell you what, we something else over here. On top of all that, you guys, I am just now about to file my taxes. I have to go through and add up all of these receipts to get to my accountant. Who wants my job? This is just a little, just in case you didn't know. If you have a YouTube channel, do you know that you can write off a certain amount of your percentages for having your business at home, which is your YouTube business? A lot of people didn't know that. I didn't know that at first. So I have an LLC. You may want to speak to your accountant to see if you want an LLC, sole proprietorship. It depends on if you're selling goods or whatever. You can write off a portion of everything that you make a video about. Yes, for your taxes. So that's why I have all of those receipts and I'm having to add them up. That's what's taking me so long to do my taxes. Most people have already filed, got their money back. But yeah, I'm so busy. I haven't had time to add up my receipts, total them up, get them to my accountant. So yeah, I'm running behind. But just in case you didn't know, you might want to check into that. I feel like I need help. My husband will be coming home soon. He went ahead and went into work, but he'll be coming home soon. And hopefully we can get some stuff clean, because we both are really neat freaks. Let me clarify that. He's a neat freak. I'm neat about certain things, and then certain things I'm just messy. I told y'all before in my last video, I don't like talking about this, you guys, but I can be so messy. On my nightstand, I will put everything there. It collects, and my husband's nightstand is always clean. He's totally neat on most things, but now if you see his living room now, you wouldn't feel that way. But once he gets everything organized, he is so neat. I am neat when everything has its place, and then I'm a neat freak. I just need to clarify that because I'm messy also. And seeing things out of order, it just kind of makes your whole life just really shaky. I mean, you just feel a little bit unstable. I don't know if that's the right word, but yeah, I'm just not feeling right. I'm not feeling centered. So we definitely trying to get some organization around here, you guys, just to show you guys that everybody goes through it. Sometimes it could be depression that you're not cleaning your home or keeping everything organized, or sometimes you're just tired, or you're just in a different, are you in a funk? You know, sometimes you're just in a funk and you just don't want to, you don't want to clean, you know what I'm saying? But when your space is clear and your space is, everything is in its place, you feel so much better. You feel better about yourself. You feel better about everything, and it's more organized, and you actually can think clearer when everything is clear. Is even if it's as small as your purse. For me, even having my purse cleaned, I feel better. Or my book bag that I carry to work, I just like to clean it out every end of the week. Make sure there's nothing in there that I don't use, I don't want to use anymore. Something that's just random that I threw in there, I want it out. So everything is supposed to be the way it's supposed to be, and I just feel better. Let me know if you feel that way. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I got a ton of stuff to do, so I got to get off of here. But I'll be making a lot more content, so y'all make sure you watch, okay? Your girl counting on you like you've always came through for me, and I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys leaving comments. We've grown to 2,000 subscribers. I never thought that I would really grow as fast as I've been growing. To be honest, I really didn't, because I don't film about one thing. I'm all over the place, but you guys hang with me, and I love that. I really love it, and I appreciate you so much. So we're gonna be having a giveaway soon. Leave me some comments down below what you think I should give away. Should it be products? Are you guys like a little cash? Let me know. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you give me a thumbs up, you guys, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.